In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Export Products tool within your store tools. This is a useful tool if you want to go ahead and work on some product descriptions or renaming things or just working on all of your product data offline. You can go ahead and use this tool to create a file that you can do that with, and then use our import tool to bring those back into your store. So to start, let's go ahead and click on Export Products. From here, you're going to choose what products that you want to export. If you only want to export a couple dozen SKUs or something like that, you can just choose to put those SKU numbers in here that are comma separated. If you want to export only products in certain categories, say garden and let's choose kitchen here, only those products will be exported. You can also go ahead and choose to only export products by brand, different availability options, different conditions, whether they're featured or not, whether they're visible or not visible, different shipping types, or product stock status, in stock or out of stock. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything set as default. That's going to give me everything. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And here is where I'm going to select what I want to export as far as product data is concerned. So automatically, the system is going to assign a file name, which is just the product export and then the date. Whether I want to choose a CSV file or Excel format, and then all the different fields that I want to be included in my export. So we've gone ahead and pre-selected the most popular ones that we feel that you will want to have no matter what. That includes the ID, name, SKU, type, description, some pricing, and some other stuff. If you want to include some additional fields such as UPC and maybe the brand, you can go ahead and just tick those boxes. And then once you have everything selected, you can go ahead and click on Next. If you choose to receive an email notification as to when your product file is ready to be downloaded, you can go ahead and select that as an option. Otherwise, just go ahead and click No and hit Submit. This is going to return you to the main Your Store Tools dashboard where you can view the process of your export. It'll tell you that the export has been queued. And then once it's complete, you'll receive a notification up here in the notification center, which it looks like it's almost complete. So all it's completing, oh, there it goes right there. So product export is complete. And then there's the link to go ahead and download my export file. If you go over here to that little menu and click on History, you can get a history of all the actions that have taken place with the Export Products tool, and you can see whether they were successful or not. If they weren't successful, the option to retry will be over here on the right-hand side, so you can see a history of how many times that tool has been used. And that's how to use Export Products in your store tools.